Lejiang Machinery, the industry leader of round knife cutting machine. Lejiang Machine Company Limited was established at Wenzhou in 1995. With 20 years development, Lejiang people were constantly in exploration and innovation, leading technological revolution in industry. From the first round knife cutting machine production to the first manufacturer in the industry, which sales reach at 5 million pieces. Lejiang Company is famous for excellent quality in the world, deeply recommended by customers with high praise. We are the largest manufacturing base of round knife cutting machine in China. Lejiang Company has independent research and development department, professional design team. About 20 models of self-developed products were successively passed ISO 9001-2008 Quality Control System certification, European Union CE certification, acquired a dozen of national patents. A series of advanced technologies promote company to set the industry benchmark. Round knife cutting machine models include YJ50, YJ65, YJ70A, DYJ1, DYJ2, YJ90A, 90B, 90C, 90D, YJ100, YJ110, YJ110T, YJ125A, with humanized structural design, graceful appearance, energy saving, environmental protection, convenient and safe use, excellent performance, strong cutting ability, customers' deep praise. Products are suitable for garment, shoe, bag, bedding, military products, bulletproof vest, arts and crafts, paper, industrial products, etc. YJD 108 electronic counting cloth end cutter adopt electronic technique. Digital display. Automatic resilience, lifting lever, outage memory, time delay, preset numbers setting functions, etc. with reasonable mechanical and electronic mechanism, convenient operation, and exact counting. It's necessary equipment for cutting and production on garment and knitting industry, suitable for outing mass or few passel clothes, deeply welcomed by customers worldwide. We insist on create value for customers, continue to do professional, perfect, strong products, and we will always keep the status of the largest round knife cutting machine leading world manufacturer in China. Lejiang, the industry leader of round knife cutting machine.